This is the weather forecast video for Saturday, August the 18th, 2012. Taking a look at the satellite image from last evening, we have a cold front along the eastern seaboard and down into the southern plains, especially Texas and into the southwest where the monsoon continues, and cool Canadian air seeping in from the north and northwest. Watch warning map from a bit before midnight. Red flag warnings in the north and west, a few severe thunderstorm warnings in Texas and Arkansas, and some flood issues over Southern California, and a tropical storm warning in Mexico. And the QPF chart, precipitation over the next 5 days through Wednesday evening at 7 o'clock, showing the heaviest rain along the Gulf Coast with Helene, which is a tropical storm off the Mexican Gulf Coast and over the south and west as well. Let's take a look at the 0Z GFS Model Run at 1 p.m. this afternoon. Upper level low over James Bay. Northwesterly winds across our area, or northwesterly flow. Bit of a disturbance could spark a shower or maybe a storm. It's going to be very isolated. You saw in the Iowa State Fair forecast, no chance of rain, and we're kind of going out on a limb on that. Sunday, statewide could see this isolated shower chance. Most everybody is going to stay dry, partly to mostly sunny. Highs around the upper 70s to the lower 80s here into Monday. So 70s to lower 80s across the state as the coolest air begins to seep in, and you can see the frontal system along the east coast, and with that, that's going to keep the high pressure around here. Light winds, cooled nights, temperatures in the upper 70s to lower to middle 80s, so pleasant weather. The high begins to finally move off here for Wednesday. Winds switch to the south, temperatures warm up, upper 70s to middle 80s with another storm system coming in from the west. By Thursday, this will be on the doorstep of western Iowa at this point, with some showers and thunderstorms in the Dakotas, Nebraska, through the plains. This will be easing in here Thursday night and especially into Friday. The Gulf opens up, so we could see some decent chances, about maybe 30%, maybe a little bit more if we have some more Gulf moisture, with highs a little bit warmer by that point. And in a week from today, on the 25th, pretty much a zonal flow, the warmest air to our south, and the storm track near the U.S.-Canadian border, and some showers and storms still around with this frontal system. And the hurricane, GFS hurricane of the day, just on the bottom right-hand corner of the screen, that could be Isaac in a couple of days. And a couple of days after that, here on the 29th, we have another trough trying to dig down through the center part of the country, and in Ontario and Manitoba. The tropical storm of the day, or hurricane of the day, likely named Isaac, will be near Bermuda, and likely going to be recurving as this frontal system with this trough eases in, with some showers and storms around here and another batch of cool weather. And at the end of the forecast on the 2nd of September, a zonal flow across the country, and the westerlies pretty far south that they have been the last couple of months, and with the westerlies being so close, we have several chances of some precipitation and cooler weather as we head further into the month of September. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one on Sunday.